SodaStream Jet Sparkling Water Maker Starter Kit. While there are a lot of options on the market, if you're looking for the best sparkling water maker, be sure to take a look at the SodaStream Jet Sparkling Water Maker Starter Kit. This product is made by one of the most popular brands in the soda machine industry and features a unique modern design. This isn't just another soda machine, but rather an entire starter kit that ensures you don't need to buy much in terms of additional accessories in order to make your own sparkling water in the comfort of your own home. The kit comes with the Jet Sparkling Water Maker machine, as well as a mini carbonator that allows you to make up to 9 liters sparkling water or other types of carbonated beverages. Additionally, you also get a 1 liter reusable carbonator bottle that was specifically made for this device. The carbonator bottle is also BPA-free. Furthermore, a mail-in rebate is also available that allows you to get a free 60-liter CO2 cylinder at $15,000 local participants.